first unto God for passing more blessings to Limpopo and thanksgiving to the miracles, signs and wonders that God performed in Limpopo, head of Africa. If you want to be my witness, take a bus, taxi or a plane to Limpopo, Maramurena. No matter how chocolate we are, bless us. Vendila nyachikamuro, shangolisa la zimwana nandara, nyakamuopa, or banana, magada pere, or egotodes, una visit Limpopo, shangoliero mupana nochi. How can I proceed without giving a revolutionary salute to the heroes of heroes? I speak of Dimbanyika, Velelambeu, Mankirinkiri, Makado, Mujaji, Sipukuni, Ramaburana, Piripiri, Enechivase Mjiava to Yawachisara Yoima, Limpopo, you are to me the land of my legends. Maramurena, no matter how old she is, bless her. How can I proceed without passing my revolutionary greeting or salute to our only one premier of Limpopo, Mwakurama Jodi the Rock? Let God Messiah multiply your days of living. Oh, Murena, no matter how colorful we are, bless Limpopo. Murena, when you want to pass your blessings to Osama bin Laden of Pakistan, Saddam Hussein of Iraq, Robert Mugabe of Zimbabwe, Thabo Mbeki, the president of South Africa, don't forget your good son, Mwaku Ramashodi. Hey, Mwane, unakobona ini? Itamo Limpopo, Rinalivila, Rupepe, Chipise Chasagore, Mpepu Resort, Mapungu Bie, Raruiba Bakoni Langwari, Chachingo Potos, Zuba Funduzi, Limpopo, Kiwutolo Tolo. Murena, before you bless America, Germany, Britain, think about Dani, Molokwane Maroton, Wombat, Bushbagridge, Ekonuk, Messina, Makado, Toyando, Gianni, and the Flipiras. God bless Limpopo.